Base something on. Become of. Beg somebody for. Begin with, by. Believe in. Belong to. Benefit from. Benefit. Bet on. Beware of. Blame somebody for. Blame something on. Blow on. Boast of, about. Book. Book something for. Borrow something from. Bother with, about. Brief on, about. Bump into. Burden somebody with. Buy. Buy something for. Buy something from. Care about. Care for, about. Care for. Change into. Change something for. Charge somebody for. Charge somebody with. Chase after. Click on. Climb over. Climb. Coincide with. Collaborate with. Collide with. Combine with. Comment on.